Hi, I'm Suzanne Lynn from Triangle Media. Now, let's talk about podcasting. Podcasts are the new talk radio, and they're becoming a really valuable part of small business marketing strategy. So if you're looking to build a relationship between your brand and your target audience, well, podcasting might be something to look into further, especially if you're targeting millennials, because they want to know what's behind a brand and they want to be part of the conversation with them. So if you or someone on your team is willing and able to discuss your products, services, and or your industry, then you should consider this fast-growing digital marketing platform. I know it sounds like a lot of work and you've got no idea where to start, but we're here to help you. At Triangle Media, we specialize in launching, hosting, and growing both audio and video podcasts. We've had a lot of people ask us how to get into podcasting, so we're planning a workshop called Business Podcasting 101. You can join us at Palm Beach Atlantic University's Orlando campus from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Thursday, July 25th, and we'll explain how podcasting works, why it works, and how you can get started. Spoiler alert, it's easier and more affordable than you think. The cost to attend is $49.95, but we're offering you the opportunity to attend for free. So sign up today at trianglemedia.biz and use the offer code PODCAST. That's trianglemedia.biz and the offer code PODCAST. We look forward to seeing you on the 25th of July.